For my data incubator project, I'm classifying issues via results from statewide referenda at a very local level. And I'm also using these results to predict how places might vote for similar issues. Often we think about issues and how places by how they vote in a partisan or left-right line, but many issues don't follow along partisan lines. And if you look at recent referendum results, many of the patterns aren't partisan but follow demographic patterns or regional patterns. It'd be useful to political groups to know which issues people might not follow along the stereotypical partisan line and which ones people do. Referendums are useful compared to, say, opinion polls because they're the results on how people actually vote, and they poll the entire electorate, and you have results from at a very local level. I looked at the most localized election data available, uh, neighborhood level, and then regressed against neighborhood level demographics such as income, race, and education to get predictors on how various issues. I'll show a brief example from Massachusetts. I used a clustering algorithm to divide Massachusetts into groups that vote similarly. And here's one issue: physician-assisted suicide, and the dots are colored by the cluster, and you can see that liberal areas do not vote very similarly but are clustered in yes or no. And here's another one, sick pay, which correlates very well. I hope to I will show more issues and classify them based on their demographics and voting patterns.